turns 1 and 2 were fine, and then coming into turn 3 was the issue where I was on the outside and Vivian Mitchell was on the inside of turn 3. So I noticed he was there, so I was trying to give him space. While doing that, I was also trying to brake late so I could be beside him coming out of turn 3. Doing so on cold tires on the first lap. So when I braked and I turned in like I normally do, I just felt the rear just went with me. And so I tried to correct it, and unfortunately I overcorrected it. Yeah, it's just unfortunate because I was really looking forward to that race. Thankfully I have no injuries, it's just really just mental pain at this point. It's just upsetting and disappointing to how I ended the day. Hopefully we can get the car repaired in time for next month's race meet. We are confident that we can do that.
All right, peeps. So we are here with Akello Morgan. The last event, Akello had a racing incident, but really good to see Akello back today at track day, testing ahead of racing next weekend. Akello, what's up, bro?
Not much, just here getting some seat time with the car after we rebuilt after the incident.
Right.
My father and his friends Damage and Randy, both everyone put in a lot of work into rebuilding the car in time. And so we came out here to get some seat time, feeling very comfortable. The car feels good. I have a few little adjustments to make, but overall feeling very happy.
Good. Now, as I said to you earlier, I thought this car was a B series turbocharged, right? Only to find out that it's natural aspirated K series.
Yeah.
You mind telling us just a little bit about the build?
Yeah, so sure. So it's a naturally aspirated K20A, basically the block of a CRV that you get in the States, put a Type R head on it. But that's it, it's bone stock. Apart from that, it's stock, natural, as I said.
Reliable.
It's formerly Sebastian Ray Civic that was turbocharged.
Oh, okay.
So, we're just getting that, and as I said, getting the reliability and getting the seat time and getting experience.
Right. And currently the class you're in is
IP1.
IP1. Now, what can your fans expect next Sunday right here?
Next Sunday, I guess they can expect some good racing. Feeling very confident, so hopefully we can put on a good show for the spectators and the rest of the fans. Hopefully we can take home all race wins next week, and feeling very confident about it.
Thank you for watching another video production of 876 Streets. Subscribing to our channel definitely means a lot to us. Thanks for your continuous support.